If you want to achieve your dreams but feel too lazy to start, this is for you. We all have dreams and aspirations, but sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. Laziness can be a huge barrier, but it doesn't have to be. Today we're going to explore how to conquer that laziness and turn it into action. So get ready to transform your life and reach your goals. Hey there, dream chaser. Have you ever found yourself sitting and thinking about all the things you want to achieve but just can't seem to muster the energy to start? You're not alone. Many people struggle with this, but the good news is that there are ways to overcome it. Get ready to conquer laziness and reach your goals. Today we're tackling laziness and turning it into action. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Let's dive into a simple, 3-step process to make your goals less intimidating and more achievable. Step 1. Make it small and unscary. Got a big dream? Break it down into tiny, bite-sized pieces. Instead of writing a whole book, start with one sentence. Instead of learning an entire song, focus on one chord. Small steps make big dreams doable. When you break down your goals into smaller tasks, they become much more manageable. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed, and you'll be more likely to take that first step. Remember, every big achievement starts with a small action. Step 2. Create easy routines. Don't rely on willpower alone. Establish routines that make action automatic. Put your running shoes by your bed. Make a to-do list every morning. Drink a glass of water when you wake up. Routine makes it easier to get going. By creating routines, you remove the need to make decisions every time you want to take action. This reduces the mental effort required and makes it easier to stay consistent. Over time, these routines will become habits, and you'll find yourself taking action without even thinking about it. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. The hardest part is starting. Commit to just 2 minutes of effort. Whether it's studying, exercising, or cleaning, 2 minutes often turns into more. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. The 2-minute rule is a powerful tool because it lowers the barrier to entry. By committing to just 2 minutes, you trick your brain into starting, and once you start, it's much easier to keep going. This simple technique can help you build momentum and make progress on your goals. Remember, focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins to keep your motivation high. Consistency beats intensity every time. And don't forget, it's okay to fail. Just get back up and try again. You've got this. Overcoming laziness is not about being perfect. It's about making consistent progress. Every small step you take brings you closer to your dreams. So don't be too hard on yourself if you stumble. What's important is that you keep moving forward. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small they may seem. Each victory, no matter how minor, is a step in the right direction. By acknowledging and celebrating these wins, you reinforce positive behavior and keep your motivation high. Consistency is key. It's better to take small, consistent actions than to go all out and burn out quickly. By maintaining a steady pace, you'll build sustainable habits that will help you achieve your goals in the long run. And remember, it's okay to fail. Failure is a natural part of the learning process. When you encounter setbacks, don't be discouraged. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Get back up, dust yourself off, and keep going. Overcome laziness, take small steps, and watch your dreams come true. Let's make things happen. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more motivational tips. See you next time. Remember, the journey to achieving your dreams starts with a single step. By breaking down your goals, creating routines, and using the 2-minute rule, you can overcome laziness and make steady progress. So, take that first step today and keep moving forward. You've got this. Like, share, and subscribe for more motivational tips. See you next time.